We, APA, look at a loss and we seek truth. The insurance companies advertise that in the event of a loss, they will be there for you.
They're going to send out an adjuster to look at your loss, measure it, and issue payment. But at the end of the day, you want this claim to be accurately adjusted, and that's what we do.
We have the claims process down to a science.
We take our clients into our family and we represent them with a relentless advocacy
to ensure you receive every dollar to which you're entitled.
It's almost a love.
Connecting with people is what gives me the most value. This is what adds value to my life.